Hello everybody, and welcome to another exciting episode of Science with Joe and Sean.
On this week's episode of Science, we're going to talk about three very special elements and their colors: gold, silver, and copper.
Gold, silver, and copper are commonly called the royal family of metals due to their use as currency.
Gold, silver, and copper are all group 11 IB elements in the periodic table, and they have the same valence electron configuration. Usually elements in the same group have very similar characteristics. However, the colors of gold, silver, and copper are quite different.
Color is caused when light strikes an object, and some wavelengths of light are absorbed while others are reflected. The object is seen as the color of wavelengths of light that are reflected. So, if an object absorbs yellow wavelengths and reflects blue wavelengths, it will appear blue. If an object absorbs red light and reflects green light, it will appear green. Lastly, if an object reflects all wavelengths of light, it will appear white. For these reasons, the fish appears blue, the army man appears green, and the computer mouse appears white.
Continuing on with the use of our super chill sun, gold and copper both absorb blue wavelengths and reflect yellow wavelengths of light, and therefore are seen as yellowish. Silver reflects all wavelengths of light, and therefore is, well, silvery. Electrons can only orbit a nucleus in distinct energy levels. Some energy levels are close together, and some are not. If the energy levels are close together, the electron can absorb light and jump up to the higher energy level. And if the energy levels are far apart, it cannot do this jump.
In the case of copper, the outer electron shell consists of two levels, the 3d and 4s energy levels. These two energy levels are close enough to allow absorption of blue light. So when blue light hits a 3d electron, it can be absorbed and jump up into the 4s energy level. This is why copper has a yellow-orange color. The outer shell of gold consists of 4f, 5d, and 6s energy levels. In gold, the 5d and 6s energy levels are close enough to allow the absorption of blue wavelengths. So once again, blue light is absorbed and an electron is bumped up an energy level, causing us to see gold as yellowish in color. Silver, however, is different. Its outer shell is made up of 4d and 5s energy levels. These energy levels are not close enough together to allow an electron transition. So when light hits a 4d electron, it cannot be absorbed. Therefore, silver reflects most colors of light and appears to be what we know as silvery.
So, among the group 11 IB elements, silver is the odd man out. However, if we consider all metals, gold and copper are the weird ones. Out of all the metals, they are the only two that have color.
Thank you for watching our video on the colors of copper, gold, and silver.